Scene 1. Product exchange for different color.
Hi, I'd like to exchange these shoes.
Sure, what's the issue with them?
I bought the wrong color by mistake. I'd like to exchange them for a black pair.
No problem. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check if we have the black ones in stock.
Great, I'll wait.
Good news, we do have the black ones available in your size.
Perfect. I'd like to exchange them, please.
Absolutely. I'll process the exchange right away.
Thank you.
Here are the black shoes in your size. Is there anything else you'd like to exchange or return today?
No, that's it.
I'll just need your signature here to complete the exchange.
Okay, here you go.
All done. You're all set with your new shoes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the quick service.
You're welcome. We're happy to help.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your new shoes.
Scene 2. Product exchange due to wrong item.
Hi, I need to exchange this jacket.
Of course. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered the wrong item online. I meant to get a different style.
No problem. Do you have the receipt or the order confirmation?
Yes, I have both. Here you go.
Thank you. What style would you like to exchange it for?
I was looking for the bomber jacket, not the parka.
Let me check if we have the bomber jacket in stock.
Okay, I'll wait.
We do have it in stock in your size. Would you like to make the exchange now?
Yes, please.
I'll process the exchange for you.
Thanks.
All done. Here's your new bomber jacket. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I'll try it on quickly.
Sure, take your time.
It fits perfectly. Thank you so much.
Glad to hear it. Anything else I can help with today?
No, that's all.
Just sign here, and you're good to go.
Thanks again.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new jacket.
Have a great day.
Scene 3. Product exchange for size.
Hi, I'd like to exchange this shirt.
Sure, what seems to be the issue?
It's a bit too small for me. I'd like a larger size.
No problem. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What size would you like to exchange it for?
I'll need a size large, please.
Let me check if we have it in stock. One moment.
Sure, I'll wait.
Great news. We do have the large size available.
Perfect. Can I make the exchange now?
Absolutely. I'll process that for you.
Thanks. Is there any additional charge for the exchange?
No, it's an even exchange since it's the same item, just a different size.
That's good to hear.
Here's your new shirt in a size large. Anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I'll just need you to sign here to confirm the exchange.
Sure thing.
All set. You're good to go.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Anytime. Have a great day.
You too.
Scene 4. Product exchange due to defect.
Hello, I'd like to exchange this blender.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
It's not working properly. I think it's defective.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here's the receipt.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
I just bought it last week, and it stopped working after 2 uses.
That's definitely not right. We can exchange it for a new one.
Great, I'd appreciate that.
Let me check our inventory for the same model.
Sure, I'll wait.
It looks like we have a few in stock. Would you like to exchange it for the same model?
Yes, that would be fine.
Okay, I'll get that ready for you.
Thank you.
All set. Here's your new blender. Would you like to check it before leaving?
Yes, I'd like to make sure this one works.
Of course, let me plug it in for you.
That's working perfectly. Thank you.
I'm glad this one works. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Scene 5, product exchange for store credit.
Hi, I'd like to exchange this item.
Sure, what's the issue?
I don't really need it anymore. Can I exchange it for store credit?
Absolutely. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. We can process an exchange for store credit.
That would be great.
One moment while I process that.
No problem.
Would you like the store credit on a gift card or directly on your account?
A gift card would be perfect.
Okay, I'll load the credit onto the card now.
Thank you.
All set. Here's your gift card with the full amount.
Awesome. I can use this anytime, right?
Yes, it doesn't expire, and you can use it on any purchase in-store or online.
That's perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy shopping with us again.
Thanks for watching. If you're new here, our channel is dedicated to helping you learn English through everyday conversations and real-life situations. We believe that practicing English in contexts you encounter daily is the best way to become fluent and confident. From ordering food to making small talk, we cover a wide range of scenarios to help you communicate effectively in English. Subscribe now and join us on this journey to mastering English one conversation at a time.